Hello guys! So another US tax information. Quick overview ng 2023 standard deductions tsaka tax filing status nila sa US. So sa Philippines, konti lang yung tax filing status natin. Sa kanila, for individuals, meron 5. Discuss natin quickly. So first, meron tayong married filing jointly. Yung mag-asawa, nag-file ng tax return ng magkasama. Alright? Next, qualifying surviving spouse. So, year 1, naligwak yung spouse mo. Year 2 and 3, you can claim this tax filing status. Qualifying surviving spouse. For as long as hindi ka nagpakasal dun sa susunod na 2 taon after mamatay yung asawa mo. Next, we have head of household. So, if you are a single individual, tapos meron kang mga binubuhay, marami yan dito sa Pinas, meron kang mga binubuhay. Sa US, meron kang tax classification. So, you are considered as head of household. Alright? Next, we have the single ones. So, straightforward. Single ka, wala kang dependent, wala kang ginawa kundi mag-travel lang. So you will be qualified as a single individual. And lastly is married filing separately. So, husband and wife, mag-asawa sila, pero they decided to file a 2 separate tax returns. So, those are the 5 tax filing status in the US. And it matters kasi each filing status has different standard deductions. Alright? So, for married filing jointly, ang standard deduction nila is 27,700 for the year 2023. If you are a qualifying surviving spouse, 27,700 pa rin. Okay? So, it's as if you are still filing jointly with your deceased partner. Next is for the head of household. So, mas mataas siya, which is 20,800 USD. Single ones, you are only entitled to claim a standard deduction of 13,850. While for married filing separately, you are entitled to claim for a standard deduction of 13,850 for each spouse. So, if we multiply that into 2, para ka rin nag-married filing jointly. However, there are some complications there. Mas nakaka-save ka sa married filing jointly technically unless merong mga deductions na makiklaim ka when you file your return separately. So, just quick overview, himay-himayin natin yan some other.